How to log into booking.com and see your genius level. In order to see your genius level, you might first be logged into your account. So what you can do is you could either install the app or use the browser as well. In this case, I'm going to use the browser. So simply type in booking.com on the web address bar. This is going to take you to their official page. So here you need to do is just select continue with mobile site or maybe get an app. After which you just want to make sure to go ahead and tap onto the profile and log in by entering your credentials. Either you could go with Google, Facebook, or email as well. Once you're logged into your account, you then need to go ahead and tap onto the profile at the very top. There it is. You have the Genius loyalty program. You could go ahead and select that out as well, and you could just go ahead and look for these in the section where you are in the level and all that. You could go ahead and explore all of these sections, and this way you're supposed to see your genius level. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.